Hi friends, today we are discussing about Google Compute Services. Compute is one of the critical factors on which Google services depends upon. GCP provides a scalable range of computing options that you can opt for as per your requirements. In addition, it provides highly customizable virtual machines, disk and memory, allowing you to deploy the code to the cloud. Google Clouds gives you option for computing and hosting via the following. It provides you an option to work in a serverless environment or to use a managed application platform or leverage containerized technology or in fact even build your own cloud-based infrastructure to have the most control and flexibility. Inside this compute service package, first we have Compute Engine. Compute Engine is an infrastructure as a service that provides configurable virtual machines hosted on Google's infrastructure with access to high performance network infrastructure and block storage. It is like assembling a new virtual PC with your desired operating system like CPU, cores, memory you want, disk space or whatever else you want. Compute Engine is highly configurable and provides maximum flexibility for people who want to manage server instances themselves. With Compute Engine, you can spin up predefined machine types, custom machine types, printable VMs, and all within per second increments. If you pay only for the compute seconds that you use. Next comes App Engine, which is a fully managed platform as service. That means it is way to run code in the cloud without having to worry about the infrastructure. You just have to focus on the code and Google will do all the provisioning and resource management for you. With App Engine, you can scale your application seamless from 0 to planet scale without having to worry about managing the underlying infrastructure, including version updates or anything. With zero server management and zero configuration deployment, developers can focus only on building their application with a wide variety of languages like Go, Java, .NET, Node.js, PHP, Python or Ruby without the management overhead. Again, this is also a per second incremented billing model. You only pay for the compute seconds that you use. Next in the package is GKE, Google Kubernetes Engine. Google Kubernetes Engine is containerized as a service offering or containerized as a service offering, which basically allows you to run containerized application in a cloud environment. Where Compute Engine is about individual machines running local code, GKE on the other side is clusters or cluster running self-sufficient containers. It is a powerful cluster manager that schedules your containers into clusters and orchestrate your code running in that containers, obviously under your administrative needs. It provides auto scale, auto upgrade, auto repair fully managed Kubernetes clusters. GKE charges a cluster management fee of $0.10 per cluster per hour and each worker node in your cluster is charged according to Compute Engine instance pricing until a cluster is deleted. Last, we have Cloud Functions. Cloud Function is a completely serverless execution environment which can be seen as a function as service. It is an event-driven serverless compute platform where the execution is done in response to an event, where event may occur at any time interval ranging from per second to per hour or per day. Cloud Function has a simple and built-in developer experience. You just have to write your code and let Google Cloud handle the operation infrastructure. Talking about its price model, in this service, you are only billed for your function's execution time, metered to the nearest 100 milliseconds. You don't have to pay anything till the time your function is idle. Whenever the event hits, the cloud function automatically spins up and you are charged for that time only. So you see Google Cloud offering you a variety of services for compute ranging from highly customizable to highly manageable. If you want to do all the provisioning and administrative things on the machine on your own, then you can go for Compute Engine VMs. Or if you want fully managed machines, then opt for App Engine. To run managed containerized application, go for GKE. And for event-driven computations, choose Cloud Function Service. That is it for compute service, friends. Thank you.